Alright, what is up guys? So in this video, I'm going to go over how you can find untaken SaaS ideas with large potential on Udemy. It's a bit of a strange tactic, but I promise you that it works, and it's one of the untalked about ways to find validated ideas off of Udemy. If you don't know what Udemy is, it is this site that allows you to buy courses off of any topic. And one of the best things about Udemy is that it has courses on any topic that you may be interested in. And one of the key things that most people don't do is take whatever these courses are teaching and turn it into SaaS ideas. Let me explain how it works. So the first step is to find the category or niche. How you can do this is if you go to Exploring Insights, there is a list of different categories. Let's say I'm really into DJ mixes. I can click on DJ mixing and it will pull up this table of the pain points or ideas in this niche. You can see that the first row says voice and produce male DJ drops. Basically, the pain point is they need custom DJ drops or tags or IDs to enhance the branding and production value. This service has already made $70,000 on Fiverr. That's the first step, which is to find the niche/category. After that, you can search for this keyword in Udemy. So let's just search custom DJ drops on Udemy. And the way that this works is once you search it, it'll bring up all of the courses that teach about this specific keyword. These are all of the courses on DJ mixing. But let's say I go through Exploring Insights and I find another keyword, which is trap remix. So this service has made over almost $10,000. So let's search trap remixes. This will bring up all the courses for trap remix. Step 2 is to search for the course on Udemy. Now, after that, you want to copy and paste these courses. So just Control A, Control C, and bring up a new chat window on ChatGPT or Claude. And you can paste it in. And then the prompt that you want to use is this one here. This is a list of courses on Udemy. First, identify what pain point the course is trying to solve. Then create SaaS from the pain points and reference the course title and put it in a neat table. Make sure you are using the latest AI model, which is 3.5 Sonnet, and use ClickGlow. What this will do is it will create a table of all of the pain points and new SaaS ideas based off of the courses. So the reason that this is really effective is because courses, essentially what they do is it's a package form of information to solve someone's pain point. So whenever someone has a desire or need to learn about trap remixing, what they can do is buy a course. But the way that you can think about it is that this same problem or need can be solved in different ways. So instead of just having a course, you can also have a SaaS or a book or webinar. There's different ways that you can solve that problem. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to go from problem to solution. And that solution can be in different formats. So on Exploring Insights, you can see that all of these pain points are being solved with a service, like a manual service, right? This person wants a custom DJ mix, so they're going to Fiverr and they're paying this guy to manually create it. But let's say they want to learn about the process themselves and to do it all themselves. They would just buy a course to learn it and solve that same problem. Let's say this one problem has a SaaS that can solve it. It can have a course that solves it. It can have a manual service that solves it. That's one way where you're using the courses to find the pain point, and then you're creating new SaaS ideas or new product ideas off of that pain point or whatever is already selling in the market. Let's get back to Claude and see what it generates with. So here you can see that I've pasted the entire web page and Claude has been able to read it and put it inside this table. Here, this is the course title. And then you can see that as you scroll, this is the pain point that is being addressed. And here is the SaaS idea. So let's go through some of the ideas. So the first idea is remix.js practical guide. Let's go back to Udemy and see what this is about. This is about creating a React application with Remix. So this is more programming course, not remixing, which is like more music. But yeah, let's just see like what example it gave. This is the course, and this is the pain point where they have problems building full feature, full stack React applications. Now, the SaaS idea is a cloud-based Remix development environment with pre-built templates and real-time collaboration features. So this is probably more of a boilerplate where the person can just clone some code base and use this React library. So this is a SaaS idea that solves the same pain point that this course is solving. Let's go through a bit more. So this one here, make professional trap beats. So if you scroll down, you can see that this is the course here. It has 3.2 stars and 11 lectures. So if we scroll through, you'll see that the pain point is that the person doesn't know how to make trap beats, and the SaaS idea is online trap beat maker with built-in tutorials and professional sound packets. So this is probably more of online music maker that doesn't require the person to have knowledge, but it still gets them the expected outcome, which is like this trap beat at the end. So that's a key thing where they have a problem, then there are multiple ways that you can solve that problem. Ideally, if you make a good product, then they will get the same result that can be solved in different ways, either SaaS, course, or service, right? So these are like the ways that you can solve this problem, and ideally by the end, they get this result. So let's go through one more example. We're gonna go on Exploring Insights, and we're gonna find another category that I may be interested in. Let's say I really want to get into UGC videos because I know that TikTok is popular right now, and I want to make more UGC videos for my product, right? So these are all the products, and essentially what you can use Exploring Insights for is getting a highlight overview of how much this problem or idea is already making. This UGC TikTok video ad is making over $60,000 already. So let's just search for UGC TikTok video ads. As a small caveat, one thing you can also use beyond just the revenue tracking is you can use it to find keywords. So here there is a category which has like keywords that you can copy and paste, but you can also just do it manually. So you just read through the different records and see which keyword that you want to search for. Let's just search for UGC video ads, right? So we copy this into Udemy and see the type of courses that people are already made for this one keyword. So we have all this, just copy and paste this into Claude. You can use the same conversation, do it for this data instead, follow the same instructions. All right, so you can see that it is making it inside this little table. That's one tip you guys can do. Add an extra prompt to put the data inside table, and it makes it a bit easier to actually read. So let's go through two examples. So the first example is the first one here. This is the course TikTok marketing. So the pain point is they have problems growing their following. So the SaaS idea is an AI-powered TikTok content schedule and ad campaign optimizer. This is probably for people that already run TikTok ads, but their ads aren't performing. You can have a SaaS that optimizes your TikTok ads, right? Then let's go down and let's see this one. ChatGPT for TikTok ads, create winning ads faster. The pain point is it's very time consuming to create effective TikTok ads. And the SaaS idea is the AI-powered TikTok ad generator and copywriting assistant. So this would help the person write their scripts or help them their ads. So yeah, this is like just a quick way and pretty easy / free way to come up with SaaS ideas, and it's all validated because you can see how much money this service is already making. Plus, you can see how much reviews and sales the Udemy already has based on the reviews. And based off those two different things, you can use those to come up with SaaS ideas or product ideas or service ideas. I don't want this video going on too long, but hopefully this helped. I'll make another video if you guys need. See you guys.